Good evening, my name is Chey. I'm going to answer the questions for LAX 2011 first week. In my opinion, I think that this activity actually do help students in their studying, not only studying but also in a communication skill. First of all, my first opinion is I think that students actually can improve their English language proficiency. Just as me, I'm the Chinese student, so usually I will speak Chinese or Mandarin to my friends, even in the class or in lunchtime or even in my room. So I think by having this activity, actually we have a very good chance or opportunity to speak English to other persons, and by practice our English, we can actually improve our English proficiency and pronunciation. And secondly, I think by having this activity, we can get closer to each other. Actually, I feel very lucky that all of us, all the 6 members, are from the same course. So actually, we have less problem in meeting up or having discussion because we have the same timetable and we take a rest, or our recess time is actually the same. And thirdly, I think this activity actually quite challenge our thinking, critical thinking, because we have to think about what have to draw, and the leader have to conduct, to show his or her leadership, and it also depends on our cooperation. It involves teamwork, so I think these activities have more positive impacts than negative impacts. So actually students can get quite a lot of advantages from this activity. And secondly, for the second questions, I have contributed to this group by having my job is I'm going to draw. So I'm not so talented in drawing, but I think I'm quite okay in drawing. So I'm taking the job of drawing the comics, and we decide to have about 4 columns of comics, and we have decided that we choose the topic of water pollution. And I'm going to draw, for the first column is we draw all the factory and the river that full of rubbish, to show that how water pollution is so serious in nowadays, and actually the people should take awareness about it. For the third column, we will show that there is a lot of people that taking part in a campaign organized by the NGOs or non-NGOs to overcome the water pollution problem. And finally, for the last column is I will draw that the water pollution is being overcome, and we have all the clean water and clear water and the rivers. So every one of us already have our jobs, so I think there will be no problems for us to proceed to the next activity, and perhaps it will go smoothly. So here is the end of my sharing. So thank you for listening.